Your core can be weak even if you can do sit-ups. Let's quickly test the internal oblique. MMT of internal and external oblique is assessed together because when the trunk rotates to the left side, the left internal obliques and right external oblique contracts. To check grade 5, patient is positioned supine with the hands clasped behind the head. Ask the patient to flex the trunk and rotate on one side. Note that the shoulders are not shrugged. To check grade 4, patient lies supine with hand crossed on chest. Then ask the patient to flex and rotate the trunk. To check grade 3, patient lies supine with arms outstretched above the plane of body and then ask to flex and rotate the trunk. Grade 2 is assessed similarly to grade 3 but the patient is unable to lift the inferior angle of scapula from the table. For grade 1, the patient is in hook lying. The therapist lifts up and supports patient's head with one hand and the other hand palpates the internal oblique on lateral side of abdomen between the iliac crest and lower foreribs. Instruct the patient to try to turn left or right. Save this for your abdominal assessment.